what is wealth management to a customer? My belief is that wealth management goes beyond just being investment management. It's about providing a holistic set of services for clients, because at the end of the day, we go through different life events in the course of our journeys. Who are you going to ask when you have some of these burning and pressing questions? The reason why Waterfield exists is because we wanted to create a differentiated and new business model. When I founded the company in 2011, the entire industry was built on distribution. I wanted to create a business model where there was a complete alignment of interest with the client. We were trying to ensure that we received our fees only from our clients, that it was only in this way that we could truly be aligned what I thought were the fundamental values on client centricity, trust and transparency that a client actually needed.
I've been in the business for over 30 years now, and one of the trends that we're seeing is that India's wealth journey is only just beginning, and more people are getting wealthier, not by the year, but literally by the month. India is more than ready to adopt the advisory model.
We've helped many families fine-tune the organization structure for their family office, help families draft the family constitution, help them make investment into startups, plan their philanthropic aspirations, as well as curated financial literacy sessions for their family members.
One of the things that we're seeing is it's not just about client portfolio, assessing concentration risk, assessing overlaps. More than that, we also now talk to clients about succession planning. We're talking to them about global migration. We're talking to them about buying their secondary home overseas. So there's a lot that's coming through for clients, and I think clients are getting more and more ready for this.
So what differentiates us at Waterfield is, I think, the presence of subject matter experts. Typically in our industry, we find that people are often in the wealth management umbrella and then are asked to maybe advise on private equity or philanthropy. What we have done is almost the exact opposite. And what I mean by that is that, the head of our alternates practice was someone who actually worked in a private equity fund. Members of his team were actually founders who have demonstrated exits. The leader of our philanthropy team is someone who actually worked at an MNC for social impact and CSR at a large scale. So when we curate solutions for our clients, it's really from subject matter experts who understand the space tremendously well, and through that we have been able to pioneer very cutting-edge solutions and help them participate in asset classes that would somewhat be inaccessible to them.
Honestly, the relationship that we have with our clients goes way beyond just suggesting investment strategies. They find a strategic partner in us who walks that extra mile to help them make all financial decisions.
I am truly excited for what the next 13 years and beyond holds for us. Today, we have shown the rest of the world, the industry, that advisory as a business model is one that is here to stay, and one in which clients can really feel that they have a true partner as they are building out their own businesses and their own wealth legacies.